Dear participants of the Caribbean International Bamboo Symposium, my name is Jorge Chediak. I'm the director of the United Nations Office for South-South Cooperation and envoy of the Secretary General for South-South Cooperation. I want to commend the government of Jamaica and the International Bamboo and Rattan organization, INBAR, for organizing this forum to promote green investment and economic growth. This week, as you discuss how to overcome development challenges by unlocking the potential of bamboo for poverty alleviation, green growth, and climate action, I would like to draw your attention towards South-South cooperation, a kind of cooperation that is guided by the principles of respect for national sovereignty, national ownership and independence, equality, non-conditionality, non-interference, and mutual benefit. South-South cooperation is a complement to the traditional North-South cooperation and plays an increasingly important role in international development architecture. In recent years, the scope of South-South cooperation has expanded beyond technical cooperation and knowledge exchanges to include climate, technology, trade, green investment, infrastructure, connectivity, and innovation. In this context, INBAR, as a network made of 44 member states, 43 of which are from the Global South, is an example of South-South cooperation. Over the last 21 years, INBAR has established close relationships and knowledge-sharing networks among those member states. And I want to congratulate the leadership of Dr. Frederick in his stewardship of INBAR. In partnership with our office in 2017, we published a report on inspiring sustainable development with bamboo as part of our series called South-South in Action. This year, INBAR also contributed a project story to the second volume of Good Practices in South-South and Triangular Cooperation for Sustainable Development. Additionally, INBAR has actively participated in the Global South-South Development Expos and workshops at the margins of the Conference of the Parties on Climate Change. We have also participated and organized many events together. Through my partnership with INBAR, I have come to understand the importance that bamboo and rattan have in the context of sustainable development and how the use of bamboo could benefit the people and the planet. These plants grow across the world's tropical and subtropical belt. There are over 30 million hectares of bamboo and hundreds of species of rattan. From Cameroon to China, from Colombia to Cuba, bamboo and rattan are a shared resource among the countries of the Global South. They provide a sustainable source of food, fabric, furniture, as well as a nature-based tool to combat climate change and desertification. By sharing experiences about the many uses of bamboo and rattan across the world, we are promoting sustainable development. You are promoting sustainable development. INBAR is promoting sustainable development. Many of you are already familiar with rattan, particularly with bamboo. The 2017 report, Inspiring Sustainable Development with Bamboo, the one I mentioned before, shows how bamboo is used across Latin America and the Caribbean as a source of earthquake-resistant housing, as a renewable, clean-burning source of energy, and as a means to create sustainable livelihoods. At this conference, I hope you will share your stories and lessons about bamboo management and use to inspire further work across the private sector in governments. We look forward to learning from the examples you are going to generate through these new partnerships, and I hope you want to utilize fully the resources that bamboo and rattan represent beyond traditional uses and go into value-added and industrial chains. I wish you success in your deliberations and again look forward to hearing the results of this conference in the run-up to the Buenos Aires Plus 40 conference that will take place in Argentina in March of 2019. We are confident that bamboo and rattan will provide one of the great examples on how to utilize a natural resource for more and better South-South and triangular cooperation. Thank you very much.